Instead of all that, with an n+1 query, where we do one query and then make n queries based on that query, we can say our SQL is this. Hello, I'm pretty new to things, says NMB, but I need something personal. I want to create a tiny mobile app. When I run it, it reads a text file from Earl. Can you give me suggestions on how to do that? Yeah, there's Earl session. Um, um, make a new project and name it after the person asking the question. That right on the desktop. Then we have our content view right here. So we could say something like a mobile app. Oh, did I misclick? No, this is iOS. So then on up here, we can say load text file. We can write that function, load text file. We can open a task. We can open an Earl session. Let's see, where's the async one? Here we go. Data for *** if you need it to test. The what's a good text file to test with? I don't know any good APIs off the top of my head. Sorry, by the way, taking your time. Wish to clear your mind for today. Yeah, no worries. I'm excited to do a viewer question. I haven't had one in a while, or I haven't had one yet today, I should say. Earl request. So we can make this as an Earl request. With the Earl. Walking through. Perfect. And then is this in fact a data? Oh, it's two things. It's a data and a response. So then we can make a string from the data. And then we probably want to show it. We can store it in a state variable. which we can initialize to loading. We can display it, and then we can say self.text equals the string we just loaded. It's loading, and then it loads the text. I guess that'd be one way to do it. Put it in a scroll view. Wow, you could. I've been doing it for a long time. I've been doing it for a very, very long time. You change the URL to star star star. I'm not sure what star 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 is, so can't really change it to that. Kind of odd that the scroll view kind of breaks this. Oh yeah, send a data. It's data. Okay. I mean, this is the code. You can open up Xcode and type in the URL yourself. You don't have to send it to me. Let's see, how small can we make this? Yeah, let's put this on GitHub, I guess. NMB viewer question. Or I guess we could say what it does. Load text from URL. Viewer question from NMB. MIT. I heard an alert. What was it? Follow. Thanks so much for the follow. I really appreciate it. Um, and then I guess we got to commit this. Uh, CD desktop. Um, what's in the project file? mean, there's all the stuff here that you don't really need. We can delete the tests, I guess. Git add dash u, git commit. Your question, and git add remote. Subscribed. Oh, thank you so much for the subscription. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Holy cow. Holy cow. I can't believe it. Oh, it's git remote add. Git push. Git push origin main, I guess. Oh, because oh my god. I have unstaged commits? Come on, Git. What's going on? Origin main. There you go. You should be able to just check that out and go ahead and run it. Thank you so much for the subscription. I'm blown away by your generosity. Thank you so much. Keeping the dream alive. You are the beast. Yes, you are the best. Thank you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Um, yeah, there you go. On up here, load text from a file. Should I try to explain this? You're a helpful and skillful person, nice person, so it's hard to find kind of people around these days. Yeah, just trying to help people, share my love for coding, help people when I can. This was a nice, quick question. I guess I could say Earl. Maybe it's more clear if we pull out some variable names. I mean, I guess we could try to show the user what the error is an error. So what this does is like, if there's an error hitting the URL, like say, what's some garbage data, something that's not a website. Then you'll get the error. Server with specified host name cannot be found. So yeah, we create a URL session with this URL. We wait for it to come back, and yeah, just put it to a state variable. And then when the state variable updates, it tells the iOS to redraw the screen, and that's why it redraws. You have any other questions about that? I should commit this cleanup stuff. Not the right command. I guess just use the command line. Thanks for the explanation. Yeah, of course. Clean up. Yeah, I'll just copy paste. Why not? Cool. Sounds like you're happy with that explanation. So let's see. I'll go back, but feel free to ask if you think of something you need clarification on. But otherwise, while you think through that, I'm going to go back to main project, which is a subway app for New York City. You have the subway map, and you can tap on a station, see all the arrivals, and then you can filter. The feature we're working on right now is filtering by the destination that you're going to. You can search for, say, Times Square, and just see trains going to Times Square. It's not that interesting at this stop since all the trains go to Times Square from there. But it's a little bit more interesting maybe at Grand Central. There's a lot more trains. So we had written some SQL. We wrote an n+1 query, and we know that's going to be a little slow. So we did some hand rolled SQL. So it's just one one query.